Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about series negative clipper with a negative bias. In the previous two lectures, we saw about series negative clipper operation of circuit, and in the uh, session of past lecture, we saw about series negative clipper with the positive bias operation. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the series negative clipper with negative bias circuit. What is happening over there? What is what? Why the operations are being changed for the different circuits? What is happening? But the same clipper circuit, but why all these having? What is the use of all these things with the negative bias? What we will going to do? What is there in the output waveform, why it is continuously keep on changing with this one. So we and all, let's see what is going to be happen. So this is the circuit of series negative clipper with a negative bias. So to understand the waveforms, I'm going to explain. Okay, if you are here stuck with the understanding of concepts, please let me in comment box. To understand more clear, I will try to explain you in another manner. So in such a case you will understand more clearly. Okay, so this is our peak to peak voltage of 5 volts. Peak voltage, this is minus 5 volts, this is minus 2 volts because it is a negative bias, right? So now we'll understand the. So this is the one, right, our circuit. So now we'll observe the output. So during the positive half cycle, the diode is in forward bias mode, so it will allow the all the signal. So the entire waveform will comes. Okay, the entire waveform comes. After that, during the negative half cycle, the diode is in reverse bias mode, so it will not allow the signal. So across the diode, the output is zero because of it is having the reverse bias mode case. So this will not allow. But whatever the 2 volts that will be as our output up to this. So up to this will get the plus 2 volts will be our output. So to indicate that one, the 2 volts we will be getting as output. Okay, that 2 volts is our output because of it is connected across here itself, right? So this will reflect across diode is zero, but we are having this voltage, so that will be our output. So in similar fashion, in the positive half we are going to get our in output, but in the reverse bias mode, it is in reverse bias mode. In such a case, the whatever we are giving the bias voltage, that will be as our output. So in this way, this a series negative clipper circuit with a negative bias is going to be. Clearly understand these things in the multisim software. Let's go to multisim and you can better understand over there the operation of this circuit. So everyone, to see here, I have been already designed a diode with a resistor with a negative bias. With the output is connected from output has been taken from the resistor, and it means a resistor and capacitor in between. So that's why this is connected. Positive is connected across resistor, negative is connected to ground. So same way, input and output in this way. This is the function generator which I am connected, which I have been connected a sinusoidal signal, and I will get the output from this oscilloscopes. Let's run this circuit. So double click and then we'll getting output, right? So to analyze this one, let's stop that simulation and drag the drop down. So to understand, I'm removing, reducing the length. Okay. Okay, my output is negative. So this is right. So you can clearly notice that during the positive half cycle you will getting all the things. In the negative half cycle it will not allow the right. Because of it is having in reverse bias mode, it is not allow the things to pass through it. So in such a case, this 2 volts is there in the output side with the negative 2 volts. So thus negative 2 volts will appear. After that remaining is clip off. So this off the portion of red color is there, that will be clip off or removed by the diode. So in this way, this operation of the series negative clipper with negative bias is going to be work. So if you have any confusion during the theoretical calculation and while observing the while waveforms how we are drawing, so if you have doubts please comment us below. Thank you for watching.